Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sai with my co-founder Max. We are SensorFlow. We make buildings energy efficient at zero upfront cost. Hotels spend $40 billion on energy each year. Commercial buildings, $120 billion. Here's the crazy part. With better automation, we could cut consumption by 40%. 15 years ago, when IoT arrived, smart buildings was a promise. Big companies and startups have been trying to make this work, but nothing has changed. The truth is, IoT infrastructure is a massive pain to set up. And energy management is an expensive nightmare for operators. How do I know this? I used to work at one of these companies. Let me tell you what it's really like. As a building operator, you have three choices: wired sensors, wireless sensors, or sensors on cellular networks. They're all terrible. Wired sensors take a year to install and can't be retrofitted. Wireless sensors take technicians 6 months to install and require routers everywhere. And sensors on cellular networks, at best, do basic monitoring. None offer true automation or optimization. Operators still have to interpret data manually and make changes. And worse, they're all ridiculously expensive even before you get started. SensorFlow changes all of this. Anyone can install SensorFlow across an entire building in just a few days and automatically optimize their energy consumption for free. Here's how I set up a room with SensorFlow. I put a node on the device I want to measure, and I'm done. No complicated installation, automatic configuration, and instant automation. Our proprietary network stack is built on top of LoRa. It scales to 1,000 nodes. It sends data reliably, uses a single gateway. In short, it turns building automation from this to this. Here's the magic. Our network stack simplifies things so much that you can get SensorFlow for just a monthly subscription. No capex. Amazing for our customers, amazing for us. And this is not a dream. We are already doing this. We are working with the world's largest service department provider and an international resort operator. And we have 8 more big names in our pipeline, including an international hotel chain, a boutique accommodation firm, and a massive resort. And it works. Just based on last month's data, we could save 20% on our biggest customer's AdCon bill and detect their faulty devices. That's $120K savings a year for one building. We understand this industry. I built enterprise energy solutions across 5 different industries in the last 2 years, and I face this problem personally. And before that, I wrote software that processed massive amounts of trade data in real time at Goldman Sachs. My co-founder Max has built his entire career on wireless networks, published award-winning research on smart space interoperability, and has 8 years experience working with embedded systems. He has 13 publications in the field. Our first employee, Neha, is a Goldman Sachs engineer with experience building several enterprise applications. Our advisor, Sonny, is a veteran with over 25 years experience in industrial automation. And finally, our academic advisor, Professor Darren Carlson, is an expert on the Web of Things. We are making smart buildings a reality. Come talk to us and find out how we are serving this $150 billion market.